am Jigisha. I'm a botanical artist. Today we are going to create a stole with marigolds. First what I'll do is I'll make the stole into half. Then I'll lay it properly. Then put few drops of vinegar in water. Now we will sprinkle vinegar water onto the fabric. Now I'll lay the fabric. So basically I have chosen an abstract print, a single petal print. So we have mix of yellow and orange marigold. So you can even collect them from the temples nearby. Now we will bring the other part of the stole. Now we will roll it very nicely. So now we will tie this bundle. Now we will steam it for around 30 minutes and then we will keep it overnight, and next day we will open the bundle and the result will be something like this. You can try this at home.